And how's
Okay.
your sister? Kumusta
Yeah,
ang iyong
she's already kapatid.
kapatid na babae?
Yeah, she's already good. Mabuti na siya kasi uso kasi yung flu dito ngayon and dengue.
Ah,
Yes. And it happens, nangyayari yan siya pag may ulan. And yeah, so it's very common. And yes, akala ng mga teachers mo hindi ka marunong ng Tagalog. And so kumusta na yung level mo?
opo.
Um,
Yeah, I'm learning every day, like yeah, growing every day, but a bit slow. I think it's actually not slow. I can say because it's a new language, and if I compare to Spanish like 3 years back, I think it's
yes.
even faster than that because yeah, it took me because 1 year I couldn't speak Spanish, but at least I can say a little phrases and words I know already, like maybe now more than 200 words, vocabularies I know.
Yeah, magaling. And you have balanced the Spanish and Tagalog lesson.
Opo.
So meron kang Spanish and Tagalog lesson. And yeah, it's a small world kasi naging teacher mo din si and yeah,
Opo.
magaling. So kumusta na? Kailan ka pupunta dito sa Philippines?
When are you
Kailan ka
going to,
Yeah,
when are you going to visit Philippines?
ngayong taon, this year.
Opo.
Oh, I am wishing best moment with you here in the Philippines. It's very nice. And kumusta na yung Saudi Arabia ngayon? How is
Uh,
Saudi Arabia?
yeah, it's actually we are like in winter season now, in especially in my city. It's too cold. It's not that too. In the
Ah,
at night it was really cold. Now it's a bit less now because it's
yes.
alas alas 10 cuatro sorry
Nag
40 ng umaga. 40 ng umaga.
oh yes. And how do you feel learning other teachers? How do you feel
Yeah, it's
their
actually a wonderful experience teach and getting different ideas, to how to grasp the vocabularies and the language. Yeah.
Yes, and one of the videos I am very fun to watch is when you are reading the tongue twister. The tongue
Ah,
twister.
opo.
Yeah, your tutor is very cute.
Opo.
Yeah, it's a Filipina, and yeah, I am teaching in Italki, but I don't know some of the Filipinos who are teaching also because we cannot see, right? We cannot see all of them.
Opo.
So
Many things.
yes, you are so very very manageable when it comes to your time and
Opo.
adaptable. So yeah, good job because you are learning different languages, and yes, right now napakagaling mo talagang mag-Spanish ngayon kasi that is the first language that you learn aside from
No,
Bengali,
actually,
Arabic,
we have
then
I'm
Spanish.
growing up. I have two languages actually. One is Bengali. The second was actually Chittagonian. It's Bengali language, but it's like a dialect. Dialect.
Ah,
It's
yeah,
like
the same in the
Bisaya.
Philippines.
Opo.
Yes, great.
But we don't have we don't have an alphabet. Just talking, verbal, listening, and speaking. I get this
Oh,
inhabitant with because of my parents. They speak in that language, but they taught us Bengali. So yeah, growing up two languages, then additional because of I'm born and raised here in Saudi Arabia. That's why I've got to know this language, Arabic. Is my third
oh
language.
yes. I
Then
will try to. Yes.
then after that after that, and whenever I watch like movies, especially Hollywood, it was my dream to learn English. So yeah, here's the rest is history. You can see
Yeah,
I'm doing a
dream
lesson in English. Opo,
dream come true. So
opo,
your dream right now is in reality. You know how to
opo,
speak English well and you understand well. Yeah, that's
opo.
very nice. And
And about Spanish, like because of music, if you know reggaeton.
yeah, yeah, that is a musical from Arab, right?
No, it's Spanish, Latin music,
Oh
reggaeton.
yeah.
Yeah, and how did I start? Like, even that was actually because of Hollywood. If you know the movie series, Fast and Furious, I've
Ah
heard.
yeah.
Let's
And
listen to it for a while, so
yeah,
then
yeah, you
come.
can. Yes, and this is very popular song in the Philippines like in 2010.
Really?
So yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
I heard this song every time like during in any entertainment show in television in the Philippines. They are dancing this. It's very
Ah,
popular. It's good because you are trying to integrate some of the song throughout your lessons and you're
opo,
learning by different ways. Kasi
opo.
napakagaling mo, isa ka talagang polyglot.
Salamat po.
So,
I have.
Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Pruébate mi boca para ver cómo te sabe. Quiero ver cuánto amor a ti te cabe. Yo no
Despacito is very popular also in the Philippines. It
Opo.
was it was famous here last 2017.
Really? Yeah,
Yeah,
after actually released that song, right?
yeah, that's true. It was 2017, I think.
Sorry, I'm
So,
sorry about that. Pasito means small steps. I'm sorry
oh,
about
small
that.
steps. Yeah,
You
so
can say little
it's
by little as well. Yeah, smaller
yes,
steps.
I will try to research the whole lyrics of that song and I will try to have a translation.
Sige
So,
po.
yes. Kailangan ko ding matuto ng Spanish because gusto ko talagang matuto ng Spanish but sometimes napaka-busy pero nakaya mo nga. You did as you are very busy, right?
Opo.
So there is no reason because I am also planning to study my masters.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, mabibisi na naman ako kasi napakahirap ng master's degree. So I
Swerte.
yeah, I think this year I plan to study my master's degree.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Sige
So
po.
it's very it's very nice and understand
I
a
learned
little
from
bit
them like unsaman and dai.
unsaman. What is that? What is that unsaman?
Unsaman means what, right?
Yeah, what? It's something
But
like what?
in a rude way, I think, right?
Yeah, ngano man? Why? Ngano man? Why?
Mhm.
Unsaon? Unsaon? How? Right?
Mm. You're Bisaya or Cebuano? Cebuano, right?
I am
You
a
speak.
Bisaya. I am a Bisaya because I am living in Mindanao, but
Ah,
Cebuano is from Visayas, but
ah,
there is a little similarities between Cebuano and
ah.
Bisaya.
So yeah, but
Yeah.
different from Tagalog, right?
Yeah, Cebuano words are very deep when it comes to translation, while
Ah,
the Bisaya is just slight. It's not so deep. Okay. So in Saudi Arabia right now, you are very open, right? So you have no restrictions?
no more. Yeah.
Yeah, that's very nice. In the Philippines also, you have no restrictions. Unlike before, if you're a foreigner, you will undergo quarantine. So
Ah,
if you're going here in the Philippines right now, we are very open to foreigners and there
oh,
is no more no more vaccination card, no more
Wow,
passport. Yeah.
that's amazing. So I can visit easily. So,
Yes, because it needs to develop our economy because it was very shut down before. So we need to
uh-huh.
boost up. We need to boost up our economy, and the reason why we open to foreigners because of investment. So if we let foreigners free to go here in the Philippines, they will just bring their investors, investments,
Opo.
and it will provide a lot of works in the Philippines. So magkakaroon ng trabaho. So
Yes.
yes. And unti-unti, so parang mag develop na yung Pilipinas. And
Changes.
mostly some of the OFWs, if they come back here in the Philippines and after their rest for just 2 months, they get bored. So they will need to go back again to for example Saudi, Kuwait, Oman, because they need their job.
Really?
Yes, they enjoy
Uh,
their job. They will get bored here in the Philippines because right now I didn't say that there is no opportunity, but yeah, it's a little. It's just only small opportunities for Filipinos because
mhm,
if there are many workers, there are many skilled workers, and if you
mhm.
just only have no experience, then you cannot join to
Ah,
government. You cannot join to government what we call um, position or post. So
ah,
you need to go back again to abroad like Saudi Arabia to continue because if you have a good employer, then there is no reason that you will back, right? Because
opo,
they are very nice. Like as what you know, Filipinos are very hardworking, right? So
opo.
we are working overtime. That's why some of the foreigners like Filipinos because we can work overtime. Like in the midnight, we are still working.
Opo.
Right.
Like
So
Japanese.
yes, like the time that we need to sleep, we just keep working because we just want to have money to let our family buy their needs.
Opo.
So yeah, so that's Filipino culture. The same with you. You're very hardworking.
Salamat po.
Right now some of the Filipinos don't have really what we call students, like for example because they keep higher their rate, right? Did you observe some of the
Opo.
teachers in the Philippines are trying because you know what, the dollar in the Philippines are trying to get slow. So
Ah,
our yes, that's why we're trying to higher up our rate, but I didn't because it's okay for me. And the dollar becomes lower when it comes to value.
really?
Last year the value of $1 is 57 pesos, but right now it's only 51. So
Ah,
yeah, it becomes lower and lower because
devaluing the dollars, right?
yes,
Devaluing dollars.
the reason is that the Philippines economy is trying to high up or highs up.
Growing. Ah,
Yes, our economy right now are trying
it's
to
growing.
recover. Yeah, become
Ah,
stronger. And when the government becomes stronger, the value of dollar become weaker.
okay. Mhm.
Yeah, so that's why if you observe some of the teachers have a $12 per 1 hour. It's very
Opo.
it's very expensive to some
Opo.
because
Opo.
yes, it's very yeah,
Videos
yeah.
or content.
But
Uh,
did you try? But did you try to see my channel? It's
well,
mix.
it's
Yes, because I am not really focused with my YouTube channel. I just want to have memories, because
uh,
if I am getting older, I just want to check my videos during this age. So I
uh,
just want to have memories also because
yeah, it's
it,
a
it
good idea actually
yeah, it will be forever. It will be forever in
on
internet
YouTube.
as long as there is a Google, there is a YouTube,
YouTube.
it will be forever. So, parang memories ko na din yun. Kasi parang hindi naman talaga focus. All my videos are not really focused of, learnings. It's just a fun conversation. So, I just
Okay.
uploaded for fun and not for monetary purposes. I didn't dream to have more salary in YouTube. It's just for memories.
Uh,
Yeah.
okay.